we'll start out with our basic one. We'll say A is -1, 2, 3, and -2. B we'll say is 0, -1, 5, and -3. Okay? So I want to know what A, B is. We're going to multiply AB and see what that is. Widen this up a little bit. Okay? So when we multiply, we're actually going to multiply like this. We're going to say that -1 times 0, so we can say -1 times 0 plus 2 times 5, 2 times 5. That'll give us our first entry. Then we're going to say that -1 times -1, -1 times -1, and 2 times -3, plus 2 times -3. Okay? Now, multiplication obviously is a little more work involved. So we're going to say the next is 3 times 0, 3 times 0, plus -2 times 5. -2 times 5. And now we go to the next one. We're going to say that 3 times -1, 3 times -1, and then -2 times -3. -2 times -3. All right? So next step, what do we want to do? Let's clean, obviously do the work. So we're going to say that up here we have -1 times 0 is 0 times plus 10. 0 plus 10 is 10. -1 times 1 is -1 plus -6. So we have -1 plus -6 is -7. And then 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus -7 is -7. And then finally, we say that 3 times -1 is -3, and -6 is -10.